I can really finally smile for the first time in my life since cancer took that away from me.
Now when I look in the mirror, I feel proud, I'm happy, and I love my smile.
My life changed tremendously because I went from not wanting to really go to functions. I didn't even want to show up to now, I can smile, I can go, I feel relaxed. They decide they're going to snap a picture of me, I'm willing to smile.
I had full mouth restorative, so after he did all of my top teeth and I fell in love with them, I insisted that he do my bottom as well, and now here I am. 4 years later, they feel great. They still look amazing. They feel like my teeth. I'm able to eat, chew. There's no kind of restrictions. I don't feel like they keep me from doing anything that I want to do.
Our story is that of taking care of our community and the people in most need, the people with dire situations, tough, challenging cases. This is what we excel at.
I would like to recommend Dr. Vela to anybody that's really wanting to make a lifestyle change in their life. You will find out that it'll be well worth what he does.
Dr. Vela does an amazing job of making all of his patients feel comfortable, pay attention to details, and want to accomplish what it is the patient is desiring with their smile. So a lot of customizing, spending a lot of time with our patients, making sure we know exactly what it is that they want to accomplish with their smile.
It's rarely about just a set of teeth or a single tooth. It's being able to smile with friends on Facebook, just being confident when you're ordering a coffee at the bar and you can smile to the person in front of you and be confident that that's you.
Take the first step toward your life-changing smile. Call Vela Dental now at 361-254-6657 or scan the QR code to book your $99 consultation.